While we're on announcements from the RSA conference, Forescout Technologies announced an integration to NVIDIA's BlueField DPUs, formerly known as SmartNICs. The Forescout on-premises sensor runs directly on the BlueField DPUs to offload things like deep packet inspection or anything else that requires a lot of compute work, offloading those from the CPU. The announcement particularly highlights operational technology and IoT use cases. Is there more proliferation of hardware offload at the edge, Chris?
Yeah, I think so. I remember when the DPUs first got announced by NVIDIA at the Tech Field Day, at least that's the first time I saw it. And there was a lot of conversation around what are the use cases here, right? I mean, it looks neat. It's whiz bang. This is really cool. We've had smart NICs before. What's new here? It turns out there has been a lot. But, one of the questions was in a data center environment, can't you just throw more compute at it? Why not just rack another server? Or put an appliance in there. You're not saving a ton by just moving stuff to the NIC because you are adding cost, you're adding, power, things like that. And so in that context, yes, I mean, the edge makes a lot of sense. And especially where IT and OT are converging, right? Which is where this is focused at on that critical infrastructure where you've got operational technology. And it's a place that Forescout plays really, really well, and a place where minimizing the footprint of whatever you're putting out there makes a ton of sense, right? You don't have infinite rack space, you don't have infinite power. You can't just load appliances up when you're out on a factory floor or wherever else these things may be happening in a plant, water treatment facility, whatever it might be, right? And so Forescout taking that leadership in IT, IoT, IoT, IOMT, OT, kind of all of the edge applications where you're dealing with a lot of data and in different protocols, right? So being able to do deep packet inspection of industrial network protocols is something that they specialize in. And I note that that's been shown and recognized. GigaOm's most recent operational technology security report listed Forescout as a leader and a fast mover in the platform play quadrant, seeing that this is a comprehensive play there. And I think combining that with the DPU at the edge makes a ton of sense for critical infrastructure. All of that said, kind of going back to what I said earlier, this isn't the only place that DPUs are gaining traction. There's a ton of tools and frameworks out there. The partner list is a laundry list of kind of all the other players in networking and storage and security. And to some of our earlier points, AI applications are becoming a big place where this offloading makes a ton of sense. So yes, the edge is hot for this offload, but I think there's lots of other places where it plays as well.